Why your towel smells clean, but dirty. Rapid Smart Facts. That towel in your bathroom might be the reason you smell something nasty right after you shower. And the weird part is, it's not because you're dirty. It's because the towel stays wet. A towel is built to soak up water. That's its job. But when it stays damp for hours, it turns into a soft, warm place where microbes can grow. That includes bacteria, yeast, and sometimes mold. And once they settle into the fabric, they start feeding on whatever the towel is holding onto: moisture, dead skin cells, body oils, and leftover residue from your skin. That's where the smell starts. So if your towel has that clean but not clean smell, what you're really noticing is the waste and byproducts from microbial growth in the damp fabric. That's why this can happen even if you use the towel right after a shower. You were clean, the towel was wet, and moisture is what gave the problem a place to start. Now here's where it gets worse. Over time, those microbes can build something called a biofilm. A biofilm is basically a sticky shield. It helps microbes cling to the towel fibers and survive longer. So now the smell is harder to wash away with a quick rinse or a spray of fragrance. That's also why spraying perfume or body spray on a musty towel does almost nothing. You're not removing the source, you're just covering it for a minute. The real fix is simple. Let the towel dry fully between uses. Spread it out wide. Don't leave it bunched up on a hook. Use airflow if you can, and wash it regularly. A good rule is about once a week for bath towels. Sooner if it stays damp, it already smells musty, you sweat a lot, or you're sick. Because a towel is supposed to dry your body, not grow a smell that comes right back onto your skin. So the next time your towel smells clean dirty, remember, the problem usually isn't you. It's the damp fabric becoming a home for growth. If you want more gross science that actually helps your daily life, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And comment towel if you've ever picked one up, smelled it, and instantly regretted it.